Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. Today we're gonna do gold because someone requested we do gold, and that's what we're gonna do. If y'all remember, in my last gold video, I stated that all I use is trend lines. When I see the market trending, I come in with my trend line, as you can see here. And every pullback that makes its way towards this trend line, whether on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, that's what I'm interested in. That's what I trade. Pullbacks like these small little ones, this here, I'm not interested in. This, we would have just waited on it to break above this high and entered put, or either you enter off of the 4 hour engulfing here, put your stop below here. It just depends on what you want to do. But if there's a trend, you come in with your trend line, trend line, trend line. This is for the current market. Today is the 12th, if I remember correctly, and this does show 12 here. So we're gonna start on a new clean page, and I'm just gonna do a rundown of it once more. I'm not in this one. I was watching it. As you can see, I came in with a trend line, but I'm currently not in this one. A friend of mine is, though. They got the entry from, where was it? I don't remember, but the break of the trend line. Yeah, and I told them to hold it because gold came out of this consolidation here between these two yellow lines. Yeah, it's just gonna continue rising. If it does break above this high, that's even more confirmation to continue holding it. Yeah, I simply come in with my trend lines from the lowest point here, ensuring that all candles are on one side of the trend line. That's on the 3 months time frame. I doubt gold is ever going to come back down to these levels, but we can still point out or highlight our key levels to focus on. This is an area here. We also have one here. There's another one here, but that's on the 3 months time frame. We're gonna go lower. Now, since we're on the 1 month time frame, we can come in with a steeper trend line, being that the trend has developed far from the other three that we drew before. That's the only thing I see here that we can outline on the 1 month time frame. We can go down to the weekly. All right. All right. So the market has pushed up far from this trend line that we have here. So now we can come in with something steeper. All right. That's for that. All right. And then because of this little consolidation here that we had just the other day, we can now uh, add a steeper trend line because the market broke and closed above this high here. So now we can add another trend line. I think I should start from this candle, connecting it to the last candle in the consolidation. Yuppie. Now we can go down to the daily time frame, make our adjustments here on the daily. All right, so this is on the daily. We also see that the market has completely pushed up from this trend line that we just drew. We can come in with something steeper. Let's go on the 4 hour time frame to really see the trend that I'm talking about. All right, so here's the trend. Let's adjust this and we can come in with something steeper. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna focus on. All right, so because we see the trend developing here, the pullbacks that makes its way within the trend, of course, makes its way towards the green trend line. That's what I trade. You can also work within the internal structure. You can do that, but sometimes I don't really highlight the internal structure because I with forex I just work on the pullbacks whenever they make their way towards the green trend line. So in the recent part of the chart here, I had a trend line that was from this high connecting to this high also. All right, so here's the updated version. Honestly, I made the video and forgot to post it. I'm so sorry. I forgot to post it. So this is what gold is doing right now. The entry would be here. Your stop would be at the previous low right here. And as you can see, the market is heading towards this high. This would be where my last target would be. If not, I would just break even, like put my stop in profits and then just hold it, you know? Yeah, and also probably coming with a steeper trend line. But this is just the update. All right, I totally forgot to upload. But anyways, I'm gonna close this video out. Please like, subscribe. Remember, trend lines are supposed to make trading simpler. All right, you need to understand market structure. It's always in my description of every video that I post. In order to properly understand how to use trend lines, you must first understand market structure, where the market is going, understand the levels on the Fibonacci retracement tool, how to use confluences with the Fibonacci retracement tool, how to exactly know when the market is reversing. Either you look for reversal patterns. You know that if the market is in an uptrend and it respects the previous low, within that uptrend, a pattern, something is going to happen. It's either going to give you a head and shoulders pattern, something. All right, so you just need to know how to look out for certain things in the market, understand what change of character is, yeah. So I'm just gonna leave you guys with this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.